Hey guys, so I'm Thomas Till, owner and founder of Bespoke Automotive Refinement. I'm here today with Stacy Whited. I just finished doing a detail job on her pickup truck. Stacy, can you go ahead and tell us what we did with your truck?
Yes.
And were you happy with the service? Do you see yourself calling us back again?
Absolutely. So Thomas is extremely professional. He came to our house, which made it really nice, had his table all set up. He did such an incredible job. We have a huge truck. It's a Ford F250. It's raised, and he went in and he actually cleaned and dressed the chassis. That was a really big deal to my husband because every time he would come out, it just didn't look good underneath because it's raised. It made such a big difference. I mean, that blew us away. That's probably one of our very favorite things. And then he color corrected, paint corrected the car as well. We had a little bit of a ding and had to get it fixed, and so he came in and made it look brand new. And then you also did the ceramic coating, which is really cool. So the water, it just runs right off of our truck. It looks absolutely amazing. There's no doubt about it. We will definitely have you back. You do excellent work.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, if you're interested in having us perform one of our services on your vehicle, go ahead and give us a call at 620-282-0402 and get on our schedule. Thank you so much. Talk about an eye catcher. Guys, this customer only paid $1 for their first detail job. Hi guys, I'm Thomas Till, owner and founder of Bespoke Automotive Refinement. We are Kansas City's premier mobile detailing service. I started out detailing cars when I was in high school. It actually was a punishment. These were supposed to be the most minute and basic detail jobs. I perfected the paint, I perfected the interiors. Total waste of my time because I was literally just supposed to wash these cars. And it was the first time in my life I ever experienced being obsessed with something. So that led to Bespoke Automotive Refinement. So I've been detailing cars now for over 15 years. I can tell you that I've learned so many different things about paint correction, ceramic coating, the most efficient way to clean a car, the most efficient way to clean a car on a reoccurring basis. Guys, if you're interested in booking any of our services or having us quote one of your vehicles for you, give us a call at 620-282-0402 and go to bespokerefinement.com. Check out all of the vehicles that we've worked on. We have awesome before and after photos. If you want to look at some of the cool exotic cars and hypercars and classic cars I've gotten to work on over the years, they're also on our website, on our gallery. And if you want to book with us, give me a call and we can get you on the schedule today.